Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to install Strapi on a Windows machine. Strapi is a powerful open-source headless CMS, great for building APIs quickly. It's simple and only takes a few steps, so let's get started. First, you'll need to install Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime that Strapi relies on. Just head over to the official Node.js website, download the Windows installer, and follow the setup instructions. Make sure to choose the long-term support version for better stability. Once Node.js is installed, you'll also get a tool called npm, which helps you install software packages like Strapi. Next, you'll use the command prompt to install the Strapi CLI. This is a tool that makes it easy to create and manage Strapi projects. After installing it, you'll create a new Strapi project using a simple command. The setup will automatically download all the necessary files and dependencies. When it's done, Strapi will start a local server and open the admin panel in your browser. From there, you just need to create your admin account, and you're good to go. And that's it, you now have Strapi up and running on your Windows machine. Thanks for watching.